Hey everyone, so today we are going to be creating a thumbnail, a custom thumbnail, using that great tool that we have found the other day for creating our banner for our thumbnails. Now, you may decide that you want to use those colors that you've already come up with as part of your brand when you are creating those thumbnails. And I've done that with my YouTube page. Let me show you what that looks like. So this is exactly what my YouTube page looks like. I have my banner that we uploaded the other day. I have a trailer, which we're going to be creating tomorrow. And then you can see that a lot of my images, if you take a look at them, they pretty much have a very similar feel to them. And this gives it a really overall good look versus being very choppy kind of looking and looking kind of weird. So this really helps with having unity within your videos. It gives it a nice feel, nice touch versus other people. Let me show you a page where they don't do this. So you can see on this page, this person hasn't created that header. They don't have a welcome video to the YouTube page. And there's just a bunch of still like photos taken from the actual video itself. So it doesn't have as clean of a look as it could have if this particular group of people had gone about doing this. But you can also see that they did this years and years ago. So it's not an updated channel, it's an old channel. So we can go right on into Canva and really create a great template that makes it super simple. You keep it the same every single time, and all you have to do is then copy it. So here is the last one that I created, and all I have to do here is make a copy. And I'll be able to then forever in time be able to just keep changing this one, and I don't have to go through the work of creating it again. But to create it, you just click on YouTube thumbnail and you can begin playing with the different elements inside of there to be able to find, the colors you want to use, the overall look and the overall feel that you want to do. But if I come on over here and I click on it, now the easiest part is just changing the content. So I changed the title and then I changed the photo right on inside of this template. You can, inside of Canva, click on something that you would like to find. So let's say I was creating a YouTube video about test taking. I could put test in here. And you can choose if you want all photos, just illustrations, just photos. You click the photos. Some are going to be free, some are going to be paid, but you can play with it. You can say, okay, which one is really going to fit what it is that I'm specifically trying to get over there. Like this looks like more like test tubes versus test taking. This one looks more like test taking, right? So this would be a good one. It looks like kind of like test taking. So that could be a good fit for here. I got a classroom of people. It looks like they're taking a test. That might be a good fit for in here. You just go through. Now, some of them are going to be paid. Some of them are going to be free. Choose the one that's going to work the best for you. And then all you have to do is just double click and you can type in whatever it is that you want to type on in here just by double clicking, and now you just type whatever it is that you want to be able to type and you're good to go. Now I keep everything exactly the same. The only thing that I change for each of these is just the picture and the title. So what you're going to do is you're going to create that template for yourself so that when you do have your first video, all you have to do is enter in the information that you want to for that particular video and keep it as simple as you can, because we want you to be spending the most of your time with tutoring and not with having to create all of these little fancy things that make your videos get more views, okay? So what I want you to do today, once you have this, because we are a community, I want you to share your channel with the group. I'm going to give you guys a link to be able to do that. One of the things that I have noticed is that if you have 100 subscribers on your list, you get to then change it to, you get to change your channel to having a more specific name. So my channel is youtube.com/Joanne Kaminski. If you want it to be your tutoring business name, you can have that. You just have to have 100 subscribers in order to do that. Otherwise, it's going to have like this long, like ABCDEFG 12XQYP kind of address, and that doesn't make it easy for sharing your videos for other people if they're going to go type it on in. So definitely share it so that we can subscribe and we can get you closer to that 100 subscribers. Thanks, you guys. I hope you enjoyed today's challenge. Stay tuned tomorrow as we go into more details about how to create a trailer video that's really going to hook people on in to want to be your subscribe to your channel or possibly even hire you right away.